ありがとうございます。診察してってください。もう手引きちぎでも構いません。どんどん手振っちゃいましょう。行きましょう。こんばんは。どうもどうも皆さん、こんばんは。後でフォトタイムもございますので、ちょっとだけスルーさせていただきます。どうもこんばんは。トモリバスでございます。こんばんは。
Yes. Yes. Wow. There you go. Okay, she's sweet.
Hi, konnichiwa. Wa ne. Ayo. Thank you. Arigato. Arigato.
Yeah. Let's try again. Okay, you back. Just chilling. It's much cooler here for one, which I like. And then look at the green. There's a nice breeze, like a light breeze blowing. Beautiful, gorgeous. I like how it's like a mix of green. It's like light green, dark green, and everything in between.
Yeah,
It's nice.
it's really pretty.
Yeah.
日本最古の歌集万葉集の約1500種の歌の中にはさまざまな植物が読み込まれています。
Group photography is in this passage to the exit is prohibited. Oh, from here to there, I guess. Interesting. Wow, it's huge. It's from our vlog.
What's up, Tam's vlog?
YouTube? I got YouTube. What's up, YouTube?
What else is there?
I know that too. I want to be respectful, you know?
Right.
Some are very strict.
Yeah.
Some you can't wear your shoes. Insane.
Yeah, they found how cool they look. He put me on the spot. The camera shy.
Cremia. Yes. You want the Cremia one. Konnichiwa. Number 2. これください。はい、2。ありがとうございます。
Nice.
Yeah. Cheesy? Oh, you taste cheese?
cheesy. It tastes a
Interesting.
little bit cheesy. The vanilla?
Well,
蓝莓吗？ That's 蓝莓呀。It's not cheesy.
Yeah, it's kind of milk. That was really good.
oh, this cone is hella good. The cone is like a cookie.
I gotta try the cone.
Oh, the cone is really good. Cone is really good. This is perfect for like 90-degree weather.
Oh, it is perfect for this weather.
So cost difference, so this course and this course. So this course also menu is the same, but this course includes steak of today. This is not steak of today. Okay, so after you're ready to order, then push the bell please. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. ありがとうございます。Let's go with this first. The beef's really tender, crispy garlic. The crispy garlic's nice. This actually reminds me of a Vietnamese dish, kind of, very similar.
Vietnamese dish is that raw beef, right? I made it, but I saw my cooking.
Okay, so should I mix for you?
Yes.
Okay. Okay?
お願いします
I know, you can never go wrong with garlic. It's so flavorful.
It's garlic rice. And the crispy bottom. This is the best part right here.
Sukiyaki sauce.
Last dish, you ready? Let's start with a small piece.
Fried stuff.
Ooh, this sauce is big. It's very rich. Very rich. You?
For ice cream, you get melon ice cream.
Cool.
Really good?
It tastes like frozen cantaloupe. It tastes like a Malona. You ever had Malona?
I love Malone.
It's like